Hey guys, it's your best friend Rouge Fox YT back here with another video, and today, as you can probably already see, today we have a texture pack on our world today. So here's the look at the stuff. It's just a little spruce up. The bed is blue. Everything looks a little bit better, including the sword. So last time, if you didn't see the two-parted episode, we found a cave over there that we are going to return because I know that there's more stuff in that cave and I want it badly. So we need to eat very, very quickly so we can get over there right now. Now, I did add a mod, but you do need leather for this, and we cannot find leather at all. Before we leave, I want to put that in there, and I'm gonna make. Oh, I have a sword. Okay. What am I doing? Repair that. Okay, that will smelt. I will go back to the mine. Oh, I do need a pickaxe. Ooh, iron looks cool in this update thing. Arrows. What is the... Okay, that looks the same. No! Okay, should be done by now. Yep, we got our stuff crafted in here. Yes, the pickaxe looks so amazing in this one, in this texture pack. From time to time, I might switch up the texture pack if I find a better one, but, you know, I like this one at the moment. So let's get back over to the mine. I'm gonna switch that over. Give me some blocks and some wood and some food. Get the torches in the second slot. Yes, they don't even show the second slot box, and they don't even show your attack thing, which I don't really care. It's like 1 second to recharge, so you can go like that, or you can go like this, like I did in, I think, part 1 of episode 2. I almost died of a skeleton. Half a heart, I was just going like this, not even thinking. So it's over there after these poppies. I'm actually pick up some of these flowers for like dyes and stuff in the future. You never know what the mods will bring in the future, and for like decoration. So here we are. We are now back at the mines. We got to get into the mines. So it's not that way, it's this way. The way I thought would not go deep enough. What? Oh, there's more cave down there. I never even noticed that. Okay, so I did cover this up. So we are now going back in it. I don't see any monsters yet. That's a good sign. Coal here, I will get that. Have they all left? Oh, here's a zombie. Zombies look good in this texture pack, that's for sure. Okay, so now we reach the dead end. A dead end point. We can get some of this. We don't need any of that coal, but we got some. But we're gonna take this stuff out of here. Just mine this coal up. Make sure we actually have some coal for our resources. We got some coal for our resources. Place that down here. Get some more torches up in here so we can go down deeper. A nice 4 space of iron. Yes, that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see down in these mines. Okay, we have encountered a creeper. Of course. I didn't get far away. I never get far away enough. There's a cave down there, but oh crap. Oh crap. That's just a big hole of monsters right there. Oh, we're out of here, boys. We're out of here. We're out of here. We're out of here. How am I not dead? That skeleton comes up here. I'm so dead. Die, skeleton. Die, zombie, die. Yes, it died. That skeleton's open vulnerable. Yes, and I got a bow too to fire stuff. I got 6 arrows. This bow is about to die though, so that is not good. That is not what we like to see. Even though most of the bows are pretty much damaged once you grab them off this company. We are now officially out of food. I did not want to do that. Now let's get back in deeper into these mines. There's another spider. Oh, we're out of here. What is this place, man? There's so much stuff here. That skeleton comes up here. We're out of here. We still didn't get another string from a spider? Man, that sucks. No, the skeleton has to get over here. I swear to God, if it hits me now, we're out of here. We're out of here. We have no more food left. Nothing's coming into the overworld, that's for sure. Nothing's coming into our overworld. Yeah, we gotta get back. No, it's nighttime. Oh, thank God. We can make a base spot. We need to make a base spot very quickly, though. No, I didn't want to make it even. Place that stuff down. We got a bed. I'll make a retreat here. Don't care if I glitch out. It's not my normal house. We gotta make sure we can get back. I don't need this stuff out anymore, so we can get out of here. Oh my God, why is there so much stuff out here? Seriously. I want to meet one of those ghostly things again. Those were pretty interesting, but I'm sure they've all burned by now. We're making our way back to the shack. Hopefully we don't run into a lasting skeleton that's gonna shoot us to our death. Luckily we got a bow we can hold on to it to repair later on. So now I'm gonna get my stuff, smelt this iron I collected. We have 8 more pieces of iron. Hopefully get more food on the way back, and then I think we're gonna try to hunt for cows again. We're gonna make it, boys. We're gonna make it, boys and girls. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it back to the shack. That was dumb. We made it. Give me this stuff. Put that stuff in there. Put that in there. I don't need this. Get me rid of that. I don't need these. Maybe I do need the arrows. I don't need the rotten flesh. I don't need this. I don't want to lose this stuff. Put that in there. Black wool, granite, dirt, dandelion. This is okay. Now we can make. Okay, now we're getting the goods. Now we're getting the goods. You know. There we go. There's no food around. There is no food to be hunted. This might be a problem. There's no food around here anywhere. I'm getting worried for us if we're ever gonna make it out. Yes! Okay, that bunny got away. But we got one. That bunny's gone. We got some food, we got some raw rabbit up in here. Let's go, we got some raw rabbit. We still got the snow rabbits up in here to get some food from. I feel it, we're gonna get something. Oh, look at the water, that looks so nice. Nothing around these parts. Well, I want to get back and not smelt. We want to cook this thing in the furnace so we can at least start running again. There we go. We have encountered a sheep. Oh my god, how good is this bow, man? Just one shot kills everything in its path. Ooh, another cave over there. But we gotta head back to the shack to smelt our stuff. Why do I keep saying smelt? It's not an ore. It is perfectly normal food. Okay, we got 5. I'll put that in the chest for later. Yep, that there and that there. And we'll eat this up. Yum. Yum. Two, that's okay. And that gives us 3. So now we can at least run again. But we still need some food to make sure that we are good. We're all good. But I don't want to waste it all, and I don't want to fall off a cliff. Like a 3-block or a 4-block high cliff, and then be like, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Because that moment you knew you jumped off the wrong cliff. You made the wrong move. Well, we definitely don't want to fall after that. Fall off of that, but I will certainly grab this iron out of here. Oh, we got a chicken in the distance. Yes, we got some more food and we got an egg. We could hatch another chicken. Let's try right now. Another chicken, please, please. Dang it, no other chicken. There's another cave up there, but we don't need to go in there at the moment. Oh, there's another chicken. There we go. We got another chicken on the board. We got more sheeps on the board. Yes, now we're finding some more food. This should do it right here. Thought I saw a pig there, but no, those are just mushrooms. Ooh, do I have any? I got one. Let's go. First try, dog. We tried, I think in the second or first episode. I think it was the first, but we failed. Let's go. Yes! 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 Oh my god! We got a dog, guys. We got a dog. Take that. We're out of here. We have a dog, guys. Oh my god, my mind is blown. We have a dog. I'm getting back before I lose him, but dog, you attacked that black sheep and I got the white sheep. Oh, we got an angry dog killing the sheep. Where's my dog? Yes, okay dog, we're out of here. Oh man, we walked far away from the shack, didn't we? Didn't we, folks? Okay, it's okay. The shack's just on the other side of this mountain. But yes, we found a dog that is willing to stay with us in the series. And over time, in between this episode and the next, I will think of a name for our dog and to present it to you guys. Rouge Nation. Let me get there. Oh, thank God I got full. That would have been the end of me. I would have flipped. I'm pretty sure the shack's right here, right? Yeah, there's the mine. It should be just above the horizon. Yes, there it is. The shack. Let's just hop into the shack here. Dog, get over here. Yay! Put that in there. Oh, that's in there. Put that in there. 2 chickens, 2 of those. We'll cook those, eat those. Actually, I'll put the wool in there. Smelt this iron. Take this. Eat one of those. Eat one of those. So we fill ourselves up. Get that iron. Wait for this iron to go very, very fast. Come on, iron. I know you can do it. Click that stuff. And we're all done and ready to go. And ready to go. Our dog's sitting down. Our dog is sitting down, all nice and perfect. But thank you guys so much for watching this episode of our Minecraft Survival. Hit that like button today. I know you want to. Show me some support. Subscribe today to be a part of Rouge Nation. And just remember one thing. Rouge means everything. Get in the rouge.